help anyone when I'm like this. What am I supposed to do?
Did you see that? Lydia?
If I hadn't been there, then Lydia would be dead.
Hold on, if there are different progressive states, then what's the last one?
Death. You die.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what I was doing. I'm sorry. Voice.
Allison, can you remember anything else? I'm sorry. Just happens with things. She kept trying to say something. What's that? She's trying to say something. What if that's what she was trying to tell you, then she'd figured it out?
Dead. It needs to be someone who can pull you back. Someone that has a strong connection to you. A kind of emotional tether.
You can do this. You can do this. You're not a boy. You're not a boy. If you walk in there, acting like a man.
Who can pull you back. Someone that has a strong connection to you. A kind of emotional tether.
Don't look so surprised, love. Didn't just ask you out here because you're gorgeous. Please calm down. Now, figure out how to help her.
There's no